What's up, guys? How is it going? Welcome back to another video. And if you're new to this channel, can you smash on the subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so anytime I upload a new video, you guys will be notified. So in this video, I'm going to be reviewing FundyLending platform, which is one of the loan platform which of course you can use to get a loan for yourself. Either you need a personal loan, a business loan, and we are going to be looking out to that and the kind of service which of course FundyLending offer, and you can definitely know if they are here to serve you and give you a loan, which of course you literally need in order to sort out your business or to start a small business or to fund your business, or probably you need a loan to help or support the kind of business or personal issue which of course you are trying to solve out for yourself. So, and on the FundyLending platform, you can see discover new loans, be rewarded for your responsibility with funding, take control of your finances with a personal loan or a business loan. So which means you can definitely take a control of your loan, and then regarding how much of loan you literally want to borrow on this platform. So you can check them out and see how it goes. So in this particular section, they say check your rates and see how much you will be getting if of course you are interested in getting a loan from FundyLending. So let's say for instance you need a loan of $100, then they will ask you what is the purpose of getting a loan. So I think this option is not available for now. So checking your rates will not affect your credit score. Okay, but then I don't know how you can check them out, but definitely I checked them out some hours ago and this option is literally working perfectly. So I don't know what's actually going on, but of course you can sign up and try it out again if it will definitely work for from your end. So they also offer fixed rate, flexible repayment times, quick funding, personal or business loan, which of course you can definitely get from the platform. And you can also learn about the platform, which of course was funded to deliver a seamless and simple lending experience for responsible borrowers. We believe in our clients and want each of our borrowers to attain their financial goals. So whether you are looking for a consolidated debt, plan for a move or wedding, or grow your business, Fundy can help fund you. Now that you have established your goals, let's make a plan to reach them. So sometimes some people will say they cannot actually borrow money to do wedding, cannot borrow money to do some things aside from business purpose. So we all have different kind of reasons for borrowing money, and all have different kind of reasons to know what to borrow a loan for. So regardless of that, anyone can borrow money for anything that you really need for yourself. So it's a choice for borrowing. So, and the choice is for. Also say the frequently asked question, which of course people ask on the so question. But if not, you can also reach out to them on their phone number here, and then if you're interested in improving your own, you can also reach out to them on the platform. And how does funding lending platform also work? So you also need to tell them about yourself, customize the loan option based on the borrow. But I believe they should have a plan in place before they get started. If let your loan keep on increasing day by day after the payback exceeded. So it's very important to think about it, find a way to get a source in order to pay back the loan which you are borrowing from the platform. Then that would be a great move for you. Then complete your application, will review your application within 48 hours so you can get the fund you need. So they will, after you provided everything, which of course they ask you for, then you wait for them to review your information, then they are going to get back to you as fast as possible, or between 48 hours. So I think that's actually a fair hours enough for them to review and see what, or if they can actually borrow you a loan. So like I said earlier on, you can also reach out to them on their phone number, and then if you also have any issue, I think you can also once you logged in, you can also see their custom email address, which of course you can reach out to them and see if they have a solution to your issue. So this all for you regarding FundyLending platform, which is one of the best business loan platform and the personal loan, which of course you might actually need for yourself. So if you have any question, let me know through the comment section below, and I'll be very much happy to reply to your request as fast as possible. Thank you for watching, and I'll definitely see you in the next one. Peace.